to a masterclass for beginners, horse riding basics with me, Rebecca Atwater.
So here Julia's going again. She's got a slow canter. She's got gentle contact with both reins. She's breathing and relaxing. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Based on my 30 years experience as a horse teacher and the French system called Galop levels 1 through 7, I've created this class to help you feel confident and at ease with your horse in all situations. Horses are powerful and majestic, but they can also be intimidating and cause fear. In these videos, we will help you feel confident and at ease when you're around horses in all situations.
Yeah, you're a good boy.
In these videos, we will cover topics such as safety rules, horse riding basics, how to properly take care of your horse, and simply how to know your horse better and have a great relationship with your horse. The more you know, the safer you'll be and the more fun you'll have with your horse. Remember, knowledge is power. So keep watching.